Hello, and welcome to the Happiness Project. There have been numerous changes the world has gone through in a matter of months. We continue to be afflicted by panic and fear due to too many uncertainties. As a result, our constant worry and thoughts can lead to stress, which could bring imbalance and go from zero to panic in an instant. To deal with overwhelming feelings, it's helpful to have various tools on hand, and box breathing is one of the best. Box breathing has ancient roots which originated in India and is used in yoga, based on the Ayurvedic practice of pranayama. It brings positive effects using various techniques for stress relief. Mark Devine, a former Navy SEAL, introduced it to the Special Operations Group in the military, showing us that by simply breathing, you can be calm, bring in energy, refine focus, and relax the nervous system. The technique itself is very basic, and it derives its name from the fact that it's divided into 4 equal portions. Slowing your breathing helps you relax, boost your oxygen intake, reduce tension, and stimulate the vagus nerve, which is the longest nerve in your body and begins in the brain. Slowing the stress response is one of the key purposes. In today's video, we want to guide you in learning the box breathing technique. We will describe what it is, how to do it correctly, and what the benefits are. Subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss out on our other videos. Also, like, share, and comment saying I subscribed, and we'll personally make sure to reply to them. Now let's begin. Box breathing is a simple method that can be done anywhere, such as at a park, office, or in a cafe. People should sit with their back supported in a comfortable chair and their feet on the floor before beginning. What should breathing be like? Your breath should be steady, calm, and regulated, if you're breathing correctly. You should feel at ease, as if you're getting sufficient oxygen without putting in too much effort. Your breathing should be effortless, and your breath should be silent or quiet. Each breath causes your abdomen to expand, and each exhalation causes it to contract. With each inhalation, you may feel your ribs stretch to the front, sides, and rear. If someone finds counting to 4 difficult at first, they can try counting to 3 instead. Once someone is comfortable with the procedure, they can count longer to 5 or 6. Box breathing steps. While box breathing, otherwise known as square breathing, can be done anywhere at any time, it's preferable to start with a specific time and place. That way, you can concentrate on learning the method correctly, and you'll have it in your schedule for when you need it. With this in mind, select a peaceful spot where you won't be bothered to complete your practice. You'll only need 5 to 10 minutes to concentrate. Make sure you're sitting up in a comfy chair with your feet flat on the floor before you begin. Make an effort to be in a calm, stress-free atmosphere where you can concentrate on your breathing. Simply double-check that your back is straight and that you are seated. It's not a good idea to undertake this technique lying down or standing up, since neither of those positions allows your lungs to expand to their full potential. Concentrate on your posture while keeping your hands relaxed on your lap and palms facing up. It's important that you sit up straight to make it easier for you to be able to take deep breaths. Often, the question arises during box breathing: what should you do with your hands? This is a common question. The technique is simply place your hands in your lap, palms up, one on top of the other. Place your hands palm up on top of your knees if you're seated on the floor or on a cushion with your legs crossed. You can simply close your eyes softly if you like. You can also simply lower your eyelids and loosely focus your vision 3 to 5 feet down and in front of you by lowering your eyelids. Exhale completely to clear your lungs. The inhale is the first of 4 stages of box breathing. As a result, we'll begin after you've exhaled. Expel as much air as you can from your lungs to do this. Slowly and carefully do so. Concentrate entirely on the exhalation. Begin with step 1 when you're ready. Step 1. Take a deep breath and slowly exhale. Exhale gently via your mouth while sitting straight, sucking all the oxygen out of your lungs. Concentrate on this goal and be aware of what you're doing. Step 2. Inhale slowly. To the count of 4, slowly and thoroughly inhale through your nostrils, and then Count to 4 slowly in your thoughts within this step. Try to fill your lungs with air, one part at a time, until they are full, and the air goes into your abdomen. Step 3. Take a deep breath and hold it. Hold your breath for another 4 leisurely breaths. Step 4. Take a deep breath and exhale once more. Exhale for the same slow count of 4 via your lips, releasing the air from your lungs and abdomen. Be aware of the sensation of breath exiting your lungs. Step 5. Take a deep breath and hold it again. Before repeating this step, close your eyes for a moment. Inhale softly through your nose while counting to 4. Then take a deep breath and feel the air enter your lungs without breathing or exhaling. Hold your breath for the same slow count to 4. At least 3 times, repeat step 1 to 3. Repeat the 3 steps for 4 minutes or until you feel peaceful again. Why is breathing so important to one's health? Box breathing has been shown to have a good impact on emotions and mental health. Both the mind and the body benefit from resetting one's breath or attempting to get one's breath out of fight or flight mode. Our autonomic nervous system, sometimes known as the unconscious body, refers to the functions that occur without conscious thinking, such as the heart beating or the stomach digesting food. This system can be in one of 2 states: fight or flight, or rest and digest. When the body is in fight or flight mode, it feels threatened and reacts to help the person flee or avoid a dangerous scenario. Hormones are released by the body to increase the heart rate, breathing rate, and blood sugar levels, among other things. However, if this condition of stress is generated too frequently or too long, it can harm one's health. The physical effects of this state can create wear and tear on all of the body systems. Long-term stress can increase the likelihood of developing disorders such as blood pressure that is too high, headaches, coronary artery disease, strokes, and many other complications. What are its benefits? Box breathing could also provide several benefits to those who use it. Some of its positive impacts on emotions and mental health are mental clarity, more energy, heightened focus. It improves future stress reactions. Do you know what effect the weather has on your breathing? Air quality, abrupt changes in temperature, and harsher weather conditions can all affect your breathing. While you may notice these changes if you have a respiratory illness, they can impact everyone without even realizing that breathing is more manageable in specific weather or temperature situations. Breathing can be affected by hot and humid weather, and this could be due to the fact that inhaling higher temperature of air has been demonstrated to increase the airway inflammation and exacerbate respiratory problems. People with respiratory conditions such as asthma are also affected by hot, humid conditions, because breathed air induces airway constriction. In addition, during the summer, there is more pollution in the air. Cold, dry air, which is most common in cold weather, can irritate your lungs and disrupt your breathing habits. People with lung disorders often have their airways worsened by dry air, regardless of the weather. Wheezing, coughing, and shortness of breath are all symptoms of this. You can simply wear a mask to make breathing easier in cold or highly dry circumstances. The air you breathe will become warmer and more humid as a result of this. Make sure you seek a recommendation or follow your doctor's prescriptions for medicines. They will reduce your sensitivity to the temperature fluctuations by reducing inflammation. Anyone wishing to bring more consciousness and relaxation to their everyday routine may practice perfect box breathing in only 4 steps. Box breathing is just one of the many breathing techniques available that might help you reduce stress on a daily basis. The importance of breathing properly can have so many wonderful benefits to our mental state as well as our physical bodies. So make sure to consciously think about breath work, especially when you're in a stressful situation. Just remember to breathe. And that brings us to the end of today's video. We hope you liked it. What are your thoughts on the box breathing technique? Tell us in the comments. Also, let us know what else you want to see in the future. Make sure to check the description box below for our best recommendations to get you started. Check out our other videos as well. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.